We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, bacho. Welcome to this new and awesome day. Okay, now we are going to sing God's love. Let's start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. Okay, kiddos. Now let's sing the fruit salad and vegetable song. Start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. After fruits, vegetables. So vegetables are very healthy for us. It will make us healthy. आप लोग खाते हो? Do you eat vegetables? विनय, अब मम्मा को क्या देख रहा? वेजिटेबल्स खाते हो जो मम्मी बनाती हैं? नो, आप सबको वेजिटेबल्स खानी है. दे आर हेल्दी. ओके, यू शुड ईट ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स. ऑल राइट, चलो स्टार्ट. Bottle God, bottle God, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables. Okay, chalo. Now, bachcho, stand up for national anthem. Come on, stand up. So, now, my lovely, lovely kids, you all know how to stand during national anthem. आप सबको पता है ना? चलो. So, and one more thing, it's a humble request to the parents, whoever is sitting beside the child. If you are sitting beside him or her, if you are in the room, you kindly also stand. है ना? They imitate us only. You kindly stand with them if you are in the room. Come on, Dishan. Dishan. Chalo. So thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now no one is going to move. Start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक, जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे। जय हिंद। व्योम, नेशनल एंथम में आपको बैठना नहीं था बेटा, मैम हमेशा बताते हैं ना। चलो नेक्स्ट टाइम से ध्यान रखिएगा, ठीक है। चलो बच्चों, नाउ डू द एक्सरसाइजेस, कम ऑन, स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स, जंप एंड क्लैप, स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स, जंप एंड क्लैप, कम ऑन, जंपिंग भी करो साथ में, लवेश, कम ऑन, come on, jump and clap. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. जो नहीं कर रहा है मैं देख रही हूँ, दिशान, लविश. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपकी कमर पे रखो and start jumping. Jump करो, jump, 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 jump. Now keep your लेफ्ट हैंड ऑन योर वेस्ट, आपका लेफ्ट हैंड आपकी वेस्ट पे रखो एंड टर्न योरसेल्फ, बेंड योरसेल्फ इन दिस डायरेक्शन. नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑपोजिट, बेंड योरसेल्फ. जैसे मैम चेंज करने का कहें, आपको डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है. कम ऑन, बेंड करो, बेंड अपने आप को. नाउ चेंज, नाउ चेंज. जागृति, चलो करो, कोई बात नहीं, स्टार्ट. यस गीतांशी, वेरी गुड. व्योम करो बच्चे, कम ऑन, ऐसे बेंड करो अपने आप को. ऑल राइट, कम ऑन, चलो रेज योर हैंड्स हायर. अब ये एक्सरसाइज तो आपको आती है ना. रेज योर हैंड हायर एंड बेंड योरसेल्फ. ट्राई टू टच योर फीट विदाउट बेंडिंग योर नीज. आपकी फीट को टच करने की कोशिश करो. Come on, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Come on, again, bachcho. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Very good, very nice. Chalo, run. Now run, 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 run. Fast अपने पैर उठाकर रन करो अच्छे से. Come on, run, 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 run. All right, chalo, well done. Well done, kids. Well done, kids. Sit down. Chalo, first of all, what is missing in our class? क्या missing है आज? आज हमारी क्लास में क्या मिसिंग है? Yes, so where are the smiles? I told you, you have to sit with your pretty and beautiful smiles in the class. Yes, very good. Look, very, very good, Bicho. Chalo, now let's start. Vyom. So, first of all, tell me how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने days होते हैं? Very good, 7 days. Chalo, we'll say it together. Come on, Natik, Shubh, Vivan. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Elena, chalo beta, Saturday and Sunday. And Sunday is fun day. Sunday को हम fun करते हैं ना, बहुत सारा मस्ती करते हैं. It's a holiday, it's a fun day. Okay, so अब जरा सोचो, what is the day today? आज कौन सा डे है? सोचो सोचो, come on. Which day is today? Think, think, think. याद आया? Yesterday was Tuesday. कल Tuesday था. Today is? Very good. Those who are saying very nice. टुडे इज वेडनेसडे. ट्यूसडे के बाद कौन सा डे आएगा? वेडनेसडे. टुडे इज वेडनेसडे. ऑल राइट. एंड द डे इज 24 November. Date is 24 November 2021. Okay. चलो बच्चों, now let's start the class. So today we are start our class with the rhyme. आज हम हमारी इंग्लिश राइम से स्टार्ट करेंगे. So everyone stand up for the rhyme. कौन वे किसको विनर नहीं बनना है बैठे रहकर? Come on, stand up. Reet and Shubh and Dishan. Why I have to take the name? Dishan, stand up. Chalo. So what is the name of our rhyme? What is the name of our English rhyme? The title of our English rhyme is Two Little Dicky Birds. What is the name of your rhyme? What is the title of your rhyme? Two Little Dicky Birds. Chalo, come on. Let's start. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Then fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come on. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Okay. Come on. We'll do it one more time with more energy now. ठीक है? Start. Let's start again. Start. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Vinay, come on. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Yay, very good. Very nice. Chalo, sit down and clap for yourself first. Chalo, chalo, jaldi, jaldi, clap, 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 clap. Very good. Okay, chalo. Now, let's start the class. Class start kare. Chalo, let's start. So, first of all, everyone, get your literacy workbook. Get your literacy workbook. Okay, and open page number 29. Literacy workbook, page number 29. So here we have to match the letters with the picture. But pay attention here. Before doing that, what we are going to do, we are going to revise the letters first along with the phonic sound. ठीक है? Come on. So अभी आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Do not write anything in your book. First, you all pay attention here. As I used to say every day, it's very important to learn the phonic sounds along with the letters. ठीक है? So learn करने के लिए जरूरी है revision करना, है ना? It is important to revise it every day. चलो, let's start. So we'll say the letters and the phonic sound. फिर हम start करेंगे. Mothers, it's your responsibility. ठीक है? You kindly make sure that they send the letters along with the phonic sound. ठीक है? चलो, come on बच्चों. Loudly हम बोलेंगे सब. Come on, say. Which letter is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. A, apple. Bolo. Then what comes after A? B. Biba, ball. Then after B, C. C ka cat. विनय keep your pencil aside. आपकी पेंसिल साइड में रख दो and pay attention यार, अभी हम बोलेंगे सब, ठीक है? Say everyone. C ka cat. Then D da dog. D da doll. Then after D, E. E a elephant. Then what comes after E? E के बाद क्या आएगा? F. F for fish. Say the phonic sound, everyone. Then after F, what comes after F? G. G, G, gun. Okay, now after G, H. H, ha, hat. Say the letters and the phonic sound as well. Come on. Now what comes after H? अब H के बाद क्या आएगा? What comes after H? I. I come after H. So ice cream. Insect. Okay, there are two sounds of I. Sometimes it sounds I, sometimes it sounds E. Now, J. J, ja, joker. I'm looking at each one of you. मुझे पता चल रहा है, मैम को पता चल रहा है कौन बोल रहा है, who is saying it or not. Elena, where are you? Elena. Then after J, K. What is the sound of K? K says ka. K ka kite. K ka king. Then L. L says la. Ella, lion. Then what comes after L? L के बाद क्या आता है? M. Emma, mango. After N comes letter N. N, na, nose. Then letter O. O, orange. O, owl. Then after O, P. The sound of P is P. P, parrot. Pen, pigeon. Okay, now Q. The sound of Q is qua. The sound of Q is qua. Q, qua, queen. If I'm saying the phonic sound, if I make them revise, so it's for your betterment only. Okay? If the child revise it daily, then they will learn it thoroughly. So it's very important. Then R. The sound of R is Ra. R, Ra, rose. Then S. The sound of S is Sa. S is Sa. Essa, sun. Now what comes after S? T. Tita, tub. Tiger. Then what comes after T? U and V. So U and V both are having the same sound. V. The difference is only we pronounce it differently. दोनों का sound V है, Only the difference is that you, okay, sorry, you says and V and W दोनों का साउंड व होता है. तो जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, I told you earlier also that V and W को बोलने का pronunciation का तरीका अलग होता है. The difference is how we are pronouncing both the letters. ठीक है, दोनों का साउंड व होता है, बट दोनों को प्रोनाउंस करने का तरीका अलग है. द वे ऑफ प्रोनाउंसिंग इट इज डिफरेंट. लाइक वी को हम प्रोनाउंस करेंगे लाइक व व्हेन आवर टीथ टचेस आवर लोअर लिप. व, वी वा वैन, वी वा वायलिन. ठीक है. एंड डब्ल्यू को हम कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं? डब्ल्यू प्रोनाउंस एज वो. हमारा मुंह देखो राउंड होता है. वो, वी, डब्ल्यू वो वॉच, W wall, W well, like this. Understood? Mothers, is there any confusion between the sound of V and W? You kindly ask me, because it is very important to differentiate between both the letters. If you are having any problem, kindly ask me. Anytime I'll explain it again. ठीक है? Now, बच्चों, W के बाद क्या आएगा? X. The sound of X is X. X, X, Xmas tree. Okay. Now, after X, Y. What is the sound of Y? Y का sound क्या है? Y says ya. Y ya, yo-yo, yellow, yuck. And the last letter of our alphabet is letter Z. Z says Z. Z, zebra, zigzag. Okay? Chalo. Now let's do the activity. Come on. So here you have to look at the pictures and match it with the correct letter on page number 2929. Okay, chalo, come on. So the first one is done for us. E. E a elephant. E se elephant aata hai. So we had matched elephant. We have to match elephant. They had already matched elephant with letter E. Okay, one is done for you. Now the next we have to do. Rest of them we have to complete. Next one, M. This is mushroom. 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 Okay, ma किसका sound होता है? Letter M. Emma, mushroom. So we have to match the picture of mushroom with letter M. Next picture is zip. Zip. Z. Zip. Z. Zip. So which letter says Z? किस letter का sound Z होता है? Which letter says Z? Z. 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 Zip. Z. Z. Zip. Jagrati, wait, बच्चे. Next is the picture of orange. O. Orange starts with O. O किसका sound होता है? Letter O का. So we have to match orange with letter O. Okay, Vivan. And the last one is the picture of yak. So yak starts with ya. और य किसका sound है? Which letter says ya? Y. Y says ya. Y, ya, yak. Now turn the page. Turn the page and come to page number 3030. Come to page number 3030. So what you have to do here, you have to circle the same letter. This is very easy for you. Same letter you have to circle. Look, which letter is this? This is letter C. Okay. So in this line, they had circled the same letter. यहाँ पर C था, तो उन्होंने यहाँ पर भी C को circle करा. All right, C. Same letters you have to encircle. Now next letter. Next letter is letter P. P. So find out in this line where is letter P. इस line में letter P कहाँ है? You have to encircle that. Here it is at the end. Letter P. Now, letter Q. Which letter is this? This is letter Q. So, we have to encircle the same letter in the line. As it is Q here, so we have to encircle letter Q in this line. Where is letter Q? कहाँ पर है letter Q? Here it is. Here. Look. So we have to encircle it. Children, आप लोग मैम से पहले वर्क कर लेते हो. Come on, आराम से मैम को भी साथ लेकर चलो ना, है ना? Come on. Next one is K. Which letter is this? This is letter K. So what we have to do, as K is written here, so we have to find out letter K in this line and we have to encircle it. इस line में हमें letter K को encircle करना है. As we have to encircle the same letters. K is written here. So यहाँ इस line में हम लोग letter K को encircle करेंगे. K. Now next, which letter is this? Which letter is written here? Letter T. So what we have to do? In this line, we have to find out letter T and then we have to encircle it. Come on, read. Pay attention. T. Read, cover your mouth. All right, done. So fast you all have completed your work. Jagriti. Show Jagriti. Okay, good. Very nice. Advait. Good. Good, beta. And match. Match the following. Okay. All right, ma'am. Shubh. Very good, Shubh. And match the following. ऊपर करिए, please. All right, good. Then Vivan.